Can't find your Sansui Smart TV with webOS remote, or maybe the remote stopped working? No worries, you can use your iPhone or Android phone as a full TV remote and control almost everything right from your screen. Let me show you how. So first you have to make sure your TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is turned on your phone. So this actually helps the app find and connect to your TV more easily. Now open the App Store or Play Store on your phone and search for LG ThinQ. So once you find it, just install the app and open it. Now allow any permission request, tap Get Started, and sign in to your account first. And then if you see any optional setup screen, just you can skip them for now and next allow location access if prompted. So once you reach the app home screen, just tap the plus button at the top and choose Add Device. And from the LG section, you have to select TV and make sure your Sansui TV is turned on. Then tap Done and wait a few moments. You can see the app will begin searching for nearby TVs, so when your TV appears on the list, just select it and you may see a pairing code displayed on your TV screen. So simply you have to enter that code on your phone to confirm the connection. And after that, you might see a short setup guide in the app. Just follow the prompts to finish the pairing process. So once it's connected, just open the remote control from the bottom right corner and that's it. Your phone is now working as a TV remote. You can navigate menus, adjust the volume, change channels, launch apps, and type much faster than your TV remote. You can also use voice search and voice command and also turn on and off your TV right from your phone. Isn't it really amazing? It's a simple and useful feature that lets you control your Sansui webOS TV anytime right from your phone. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.